don't know if you have one of these, but this is one of the best things that you could have right here. Get you one of these small groundskeeper 2 rakes. You gotta get you one of those. And topsoil. Take some of those sticks out. You gotta take the sticks out. There we go. It's got sticks, it's got rocks. Man, it's got mulch in it. I don't know why this topsoil has so many things in it. That's when a lot of people put topsoil down in seeds and they're like, hey, my seeds aren't growing worth anything. Look at this. This is all rocks and sticks. You know, grass seed is not gonna grow in rocks and sticks. So now we can take these and dump it. What I do next is I take potting mix. There we go. That's all we need. It's got fertilizer in it, which should be good for the grass seed. But this is all I need for the spot that I'm gonna do right now. But again, if you look at this potting soil, what do you see? A lot of junk. Oh man, that's nice. That is a lot better. Taking out some of that junk. Take a look at that, guys. Tell me grass won't grow in that, huh? Tell me grass will not grow in that. All right, now we gotta go get the grass seed. I gotta fill in this because there's all those moles. Just like big mole holes.
What?
I have a larger groundskeeper rake, but for this trench, the small one does great. Supposed to get some rain tomorrow. This is gonna settle too. So what I'm gonna do is I put down my soil first. I'm gonna flatten it out. Then I'm gonna cover it. Hope that the birds and different things, although I'm gonna cover this up. Everyone has their own way of ideas of how they do seeding and all of that. I don't know if there's like a true scientific way of doing it. I mean, think about it. Have you ever seen a spot where grass can't grow? I've seen it grow in between concrete cracks. Now what I'll do is I'll add more soil. Not a lot. I'm not trying to bury it under 5 inches of soil. But I know that it's going to settle. There you have it. We're supposed to get a rain tonight. It's not supposed to be too heavy. So that's one good thing. Gotta still figure out what I'm gonna do about all of these moles. That looks so much better, folks. Now I'm gonna cover it up with some deer netting, because that's all I have. And then I'm gonna put something that makes where the water doesn't drain that way.